Hi, I'm the math guy, Steve. Let's try solving this equation. So when solving equations like this, notice they both have two of the terms have a e to the some power. And so to solve this equation, let's try using a U-substitution. That's what you should do, okay? Meaning, let u be, okay, they both have an e to the 2x, kind of, right? And so let's let u equal e to the 2x, okay? Then we see, okay, well, u squared would equal e to the 2x squared, okay? Which is just e to the 4x. So the first term is just u squared, okay? So this will be our sub-bubble, or our subble, okay, all right, okay? This will be our sub-bubble. And now this becomes an easier equation to solve. Notice we get u squared, plus 5u minus 24 equals 0. And now it's just a quadratic equation. Okay, so to solve quadratic equations, we complete the square, quadratic formula. This one I think is factorable, right? We can factor this pretty easily. Let's see, it's a 1 in front of these three terms, so 1 in front of the u squared. So we'll set up a double bubble, okay. U and u, and u and u, and u and u, okay. And then what? Two numbers that multiply give me negative 24, that combine to give me that 5. So let's see, positive 8 and negative 3, I think, works. Okay, so get 0 on one side, factor the other side. Now set each factor equal to 0. Okay, let's try it. All right, u plus 8 equals 0. Okay. And then u minus 3 equals 0. So u equals negative 8 and u equals positive 3. All right, okay. Now, again, the x is about x stuff, okay? This is u stuff. And so now we have to back substitute what u was back into the equation, meaning, okay, we get u is e to the 2x, right? So e to the 2x equals negative 8, and e to the 2x equals 3. And I will solve each of these separately. So how we solve these separately is by first getting rid of so it's e to the power equals a negative number. So we ln both sides. But notice what happens. If I ln the left-hand side, yeah, that'll give us just e to the 2x. But the ln of that right-hand side, that's the ln of something negative. Remember, one of our properties of logs is that the argument to the inside of that log has to be non-negative. So this doesn't give us any solutions here, okay? Whereas here, if I ln both sides, we get ln of e to the 2x equals the ln of 3. And so, again, the ln and e end up canceling. So we just end up with 2x. 2x equals ln of 3. And so, yeah, x would equal ln of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so that would be our solution to this exponential equation. Okay, so again, the U-substitution is kind of a helpful tool sometimes to help us to solve exponential or even logarithmic equations at times. Okay, all right, always remember, math is everywhere.